Hey there. So I'm just doing a quick review on the Volant Vortice throttle body spacer. So it's in. This is what it sounds like. So there you go. This particular throttle body spacer has no whistling sound. That's a comment on a lot of them. I don't notice any noise difference. It's pretty easy to install. Seems like a quality kit. Yeah, don't notice any difference. And even if it did make a difference, yeah, it wouldn't be big enough that you would notice it. And when you look at it, the inner diameter of the throttle body spacer is actually wider than the inner diameter of the throttle body, so it's not making any restrictions at all. Even the riflings that are supposed to twist the air, they're not really in contact with the air as it passes through the throttle body. So I don't know if I would recommend it or not. Time will tell. I'll have to do a bit more driving to see if it helps the miles per gallon or liters per 100 kilometer. Yeah, and as far as power, either way, it's not going to make a difference, worse or better. I don't think it would do anything to hurt power at all. So why not try it out? And my engine noise is a bit louder because I took my engine cover off. Not anything to do with the throttle body. There's no whistling at all. So thanks for checking out this video, and I'll have a Spectre intake on the way for this Titan, and I'll do a review and install for that as well.